Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to manually and automatically enable and disable the electric parking brake in Lexus GX550. Whenever you see this P sign on the instrument panel, this means that the parking brake is engaged. So to turn it off, if you simply press the button, nothing will happen. In order to disable it manually, you will need to press the brake pedal, and then push down the button. After that, you will see that the sign will disappear. This means that the parking brake is disengaged. To re-engage the parking brake manually, you simply need to pull this button up. So I will pull it up. And you will see that the parking brake sign will reappear on the instrument panel. Right now the parking brake is enabled. By default, the parking brake will be in the automatic mode. This means that whenever you put the vehicle into drive, the parking brake will be automatically disengaged. And when I release the brake pedal, the vehicle starts to drive right away. And when I put it back into park, you will see again the parking brake sign. The parking brake was automatically applied, and right now vehicle is not going anywhere. You can disable this automatic mode in case if you want to turn off the parking brake permanently, for example. For this you need to press the brake pedal, press and hold, and then push the parking brake down all the way. Push and hold. Keep holding until you see this message on the instrument panel: EPB automatic mode function deactivated. Now you can release the parking brake button, and right now, guys, what has changed is currently the parking brake is not engaged, and I'm in the park right now. So I'll put it into drive, and I will put it back into park again. And look what happens now. The parking brake was not applied. So in this mode you can still do it manually like I showed you. You can pull it up, the button, and the parking brake will be re-engaged. But in this manual mode you can only do it manually, because we disengaged the automatic mode. So again, now when I want, for example, if in this mode right now I will put the vehicle into drive, look at that, guys, the vehicle is in drive and the parking brake is still engaged, which means even if I release the brake pedal and the vehicle is in drive, it's not going anywhere. It's been held by the parking brake. To keep driving, we'll need to press the brake pedal and push the parking brake button down, and only now the vehicle will start to slowly drive away. And again, since we are in the manual mode, when I put it into park, the parking brake won't be re-engaged. This manual mode again can be used in case if you want to permanently disable the parking brake, or for example in winter, in order to prevent the freezing of your brake pads. To turn the automatic parking brake mode back on, you will need to push and hold the parking brake button. You don't need to press the brake pedal, simply pull and hold. Again, shortly we will see the similar message: EPP automatic mode function activated. Right now we are back to normal. Now every time you put the vehicle into drive, the parking brake sign will disappear. When you put it back into park, the parking brake will be automatically engaged. Again, guys, these are the two modes for the electric parking brake in Lexus GX550. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.